calling me. Так, guys, seems you would like to be silent or what? I don't know. Hello. Why is this language? I don't know. I speak English. Calling me. Welcome, Yukam. Hello, friends. Dun, 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 dun. Hello, Steven. What is here? Excuse me, friends. A little bit sick, so my voice disappearing. Carolina, feel lonely. I'm not. I'm from Ukraine. And survive. Hello, Dave. I'm fine, thank you so much. Hello, красивый, how are you? Where are you from? Friends, I am really curious. What do you see special in my eyes? Because everybody is complimenting my eyes. And I'm just wondering, do you see really something special on my eyes that everyone is loves them, so you gives me compliments? Or you give to all girls on TikTok the compliments about them eyes? Because honestly, I don't understand. New Zealand, hello. I'm from Ukraine. Where is Obelix? Why? Look, jealousy coming. Jealousy people coming. Guys, where are you from? Where are you from? Seems you're working in Interpol and you're not telling nothing about yourself. So high level of privacy. У меня этих ногтей я никуда не попадаю. Hello, James. Good afternoon for you. UK, welcome, Demi. Hi, friends. I'm from Ukraine. I'm Slavic nation girlfriend. But I'm English speaker, so would like to chat with you. And when you're silent, I feel lonely. Too much. A lot. My TikTok is crazy today. All the time shows me lost connection. I don't know what is going on. Oh wow.